In the upstate, men and women are offering their support by donating, volunteering, and even going to the coast to help.
Peyton Furtado is learning more about what kinds of resources will be available to those impacted. Peyton.
Yeah, while the impacts here in the upstate are going to be relatively tame compared to what we could see in other areas, people in Florida, for instance, some have already had to leave their homes, evacuating ahead of that storm.
Upstate nonprofits and organizations are prepared for anything as Idalia heads toward Florida and then the Palmetto State. Terry Ballinger with Blue Ridge Electric Co-op says their crews could be sent to anywhere in or out of the state to get that area's power back online.
A few of those that are right on the coastline that are likely to see big trouble, but others further inland could also face significant damage as well. So we have to be on our toes and be ready to go.
The American Red Cross has 400 disaster responders, truckloads of supplies in position, and area volunteers at the ready.
We've got 3 South Carolina volunteers who are actually in Florida to help as that's hitting mostly today. And then we've got dozens of South Carolina volunteers here in the state buying supplies today, gathering supplies, getting those supplies to the coast or where they could be most needed.
Those volunteers, Saskia Lindsay says, make up more than 90% of the American Red Cross and help people around the world.
We're so grateful to our volunteers. We always need more volunteers. So if anyone ever wants to help during a disaster, you can sign up to be a Red Cross volunteer.
Whether you're in the upstate or one of those volunteers headed to the coast, the National Weather Service's Tricia Palmer says it's important to stay up to date.
Just because a tropical system may be going offshore, that doesn't mean that we're not dealing with weather impacts in the here and now. So always stay tuned with the latest forecast and warning information.
Yeah, and while this storm is not set to directly hit the upstate, Lindsay from the American Red Cross recommends you always be prepared, even having an emergency preparedness go bag filled with food, water, and a first aid kit. Live in Greenville, I'm Peyton Furtado for WYFF News 4.